the Bible where it says manna, it means Twinkie and ding dong. You know that cloud that led the Israelites, shaped like a ding dong. Oh yeah. If your survey truck gets stuck in a rut, just fill the hole with Twinkies and ding dongs. The high emotional cost of survey is paid by Twinkies and ding dongs. Twinkies are good for you or me. They can be your pillow on a tree. Ding dongs are just like medicine. Take two if you get sick. And if you're stopped by the police, just bribe them with Twinkies and ding dongs. You can know that they will eat them, 'cause they're like donuts, just better. You will have an excellent word list if you elicit Twinkies and ding dongs. Their consumption is the best indicator of a language use that's sustainable. Twinkies are good for understanding dialects. Just stick them deep in your ears. The community will be so participatory. Just give them ding dongs to eat. Everybody! Twinkies are good for you or me. Come on! They make us very strong. They make us very strong. Ding dongs are the perfect brain food. They make your survey reports long.
You are? You really want to eat some?
No, I want to take his advice and grab him in my ear so I don't have to listen anymore.